Hey everyone, Rob here. I'm actually in Harajuku, right near NHK. On a typical day, you can see the studios from where I am right now, but today definitely not happening. Near whiteout conditions at time, visibility at the very least, less than a half a kilometer. Right now the wind is blowing as well, and I think that's kicking it up off a lot of the trees here, so that's causing some of the snow to blow around as well. In some areas like in Shibuya, it didn't seem so bad. It just a lot clearer there and they're taking more care of it, but a lot of the back roads and in the rural areas is where you're really getting battered today. I know if you're in some places where it doesn't seem like this is a lot of snowfall, for Tokyo it definitely is. Over 5 centimeters will shut down the city, and right now everything at a snail's pace. Traffic's still flowing. I haven't seen any backups, but I have heard reports that a lot of the highways are backed up as well. So that's what's happening right now. I'm going to show you some more video, and yeah.
まもなく2番線に新宿池袋
改めましてご紹介いたします。元航空幕僚長。ドクター中松、吉田の12人に選ばれたドクター中松、アメリカ大リーグで日本人初の手術を行ったドクター中松、ヘリコプター日本一周記録を持つドクター中松、都民を明るくする明るい